The video you're watching right now has been entirely edited with Claude. I did not make a single cut, a single motion graphic, or a single animation. For me, the worst part about the video creation process for social media like YouTube or Instagram Reels was always the editing. I mean, I just absolutely hate it. I would bring my video into Premiere Pro and I would just slog through the entire video editing process because I hated it so much. And so a simple and short video that should only take 10 minutes to edit would take me like 30 minutes to edit because I just really did not enjoy the video editing process. But now I don't do that anymore because now I get Claude to edit my entire video for me, and I mean literally everything. It's incredible. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the full editing process with Claude with a completely unedited raw video. So the tool I use is called Borumi. It's a video editing software that allows you to connect ChatGPT and Claude to it and even other AI models using its MCP. And it allows the AI models to control every single feature of the software. That's what makes all of this work. And the great thing about it is that there are no subscription fees. It is a one-time payment fee. So if I go to the pricing page, you'll see that it is a one-time fee of $79 and soon it'll be $99. Right now it's an early adopter discount, which is great. So if you want to get it, I'd recommend getting it right now. And just to be clear, I am not sponsored by this company and I don't have any affiliate links. I just think this software is truly amazing. So needless to say, I'm not going to be using Premiere Pro anymore to create these kind of explainer videos like the one you're watching right now. So on the side, just click the Get Started for Free button and download their software. You can actually use it in the beginning for completely free. You can test out the MCP, you can connect it to your AI and edit a video entirely for free. The only thing is if you want to export the video, then you are going to have to pay the one-time fee. So when you open up the software, you're going to come to a page like this. If you want to start a new project, click on Structured Video and just click on the Edit tab at the bottom here to actually open up the editing timeline. So I'm just going to make this full screen and now I'm going to drag in a demo video to show you the video editing process. Okay, so right here you can see my cam file. So this is my entire recording for just my camera, my face, and here I have my actual screen recording from the demo video. Right now, these are completely separate. These are fully raw videos, completely unedited. And now I'm going to use Claude to analyze the entire timeline and edit the entire video with one prompt. But before we do that, let me just give you a little listen to see what it sounds like when it's completely raw and unedited. So I make a couple of mistakes. I do long pauses. You can see in the audio timeline, there's a completely empty dead space here and in between here. All of this will be completely cut out. This entire clip is going to be edited by AI and I'm not going to touch a single thing. So all I have to do is, the only thing I have to do is talk. Watch this. Okay. Yeah, so you can see there from that short segment that I repeated myself multiple times and I made some mistakes. And in between each phrase, there was some small empty space in the audio, which I want completely cut out so everything is nicely put together. Claude is going to do all of that for me. And then obviously also I have my screen recording right here where I show the demonstration example in the video. And Claude is going to layer these two videos together. It's going to sync them and it's going to put my cam in the corner and the video in the background. And it's going to do zoom ins, animations, and motion graphics. And a cool thing you can also do is speak in the audio directly, like, hey Claude, or hey AI, or hey editor in my example, add motion graphics here and do this and this. And Claude will be able to see that and implement that for you and cut out that portion of the video so, you know, the viewer doesn't actually hear those instructions. So for example, I think right here, if I'm correct, hey editor, zoom in on the Claude output right here. Yeah. So I say, hey editor, zoom in on the Claude output right here. So that'll be somewhere here in the video where I'm saying that, and Claude is going to recognize what I said there, cut it out, and then in the actual video, in the final edit, it's going to zoom in on the screen wherever my cursor is, wherever I'm pointing to. Okay, so to actually connect your AI, go to the settings cog wheel in the top right, click on it, and click on the AI tab. And in here, just make sure the enable MCP toggle is turned on, and then you can click on your setup instructions for whichever AI you want to use. I'm using Claude, so I'm going to click on the Claude button, and you'll see here the instructions to actually connect Borumi MCP to your AI. So for Claude, I have to open up the desktop app. I have to select the Borumi AI workspace folder, which is in my documents folder, and then I can start editing directly with the AI. So in the Claude desktop app, in order to open up the folder, you click on here. I already have it open, but I'll just show you. Click on open folder and then find your documents, and it'll be right here, Borumi AI workspace. So just click on that. Click on select folder, and there you go. You have it open and you're ready to edit. Now I've created a specialized long form video editing skill, which I can just call upon and I don't have to give any instructions. It'll know exactly what I want and it'll edit the entire video for me. If you want access to the exact skill, it'll be linked down in the description or in my community, which you can join and get all of my other resources too. So now I've sent it off and Claude is opening up Borumi. It's opened up my skill and now it's going to edit the entire video for me, and I haven't given it any specific instructions. It's all in the skill file, and depending on how long your video is, that'll be how long it spends editing the video. So it can be 1 minute or it could be 10 minutes. Yeah, so for my video, it should be quite short because the video is only, 6.2 minutes. So yeah, I'll be back when it's done. And while that's generating, if you guys like AI content or seeing cool tools like this, then consider subscribing as I post this kind of stuff all of the time. Okay, so Claude just finished its generation and now just look at the timeline. So you can see that it's synced up the screen and the cam. You can see that it's made cuts all throughout. It's added some effects around and some motion graphics at the end here. So now let's give it a listen. This entire clip is going to be edited by AI and I'm not going to touch a single thing. So the only thing I have to do is talk. Watch this. I'm going to ask Claude to build me a simple landing page. You can see that it's writing the whole thing out right here. The structure, the styling, all of it. And there you go. One prompt, one take, and zero editing by me. There we go. So you can see that it's a short video, but it did basically everything I wanted it to do in one single prompt. Now, let's say, for example, you want to change something. Maybe it makes a mistake somewhere because it's not going to be perfect 100% of the time. You will need to make some adjustments. So for example, let's say here, I don't want this to zoom out and then zoom back in. So you can just make quick manual edits right here. So let's drag this here and drag this here. And this should just go. You can see that it's writing the whole landing page. You can see that it's. So yeah, you can make manual edits like that, or you can just go back into Claude if you don't even want to do stuff like that. You can just go to Claude, say, hey, fix the zoom here. I don't want it to zoom out. I want it to just zoom straight onto the next area of the screen. And at the end here, you can see that the motion graphics have been created, like I said in the script, like, hey, editor, do this. Actually, I don't think I showed it earlier in the video, but I said in the script, like, hey, editor, create 3 motion graphics, for these 3 steps that I mentioned in the video. So that's pretty cool. So it does that at the end here. And these motion graphics are created using hyperframes, which is motion graphics created with code. So Claude goes ahead and does that, and then it imports it straight into the video for you. And so there you go. That's how you can edit entire videos using Claude or ChatGPT. And again, if you want the exact skill file that I used to create this video, then it'll be linked down in the description below. Anyways, that wraps it up. See ya.